One step forward. Make it certain.
Kumjan Bhotia, student of Himalayan Rising Academy.
I, Amit Guru, student of Himalayan Rising Academy,
Having been entrusted with the role of school captain, placed to uphold the highest standards of leadership, integrity and service. We will strive to foster a positive, inclusive environment where all students feel valued and respected. We will work tirelessly to promote the values of the HRS school. We pledge to abide by the rules and regulations and carry our responsibilities with utmost sincerity and dedication. Thank you.
Sir Galbu Sherpa to full gardens and branches to our captains. So now I would like to announce the name of Culture Captain of Himalayan Rising Academy of the session 2025, and the name of the Culture Captains are Miss Yangdoma Sherpa and Laden Chiring Sherpa. And I would like to announce the name of Discipline Captain. It is Miss Laden Sherpa and Varsa Guru. And next, it is the Environment Captain, and the name of Environment Captain is Chodet Sherpa and Norjan Sherpa. And next, it is the Games Captain, and the name of the Games Captain is Kunchok Tamang and Tonus Tamang. Thank you so much, our principal miss and our vice principal sir, for the garland ceremony of all the captains. Now, once again, I would like to request Miss Neil Nomu to carry forward the oath-taking ceremony of all the respected captains.
We, the captains of culture, discipline, environment, and games, race to serve our school with dedication and responsibility. As culture captain, we will promote unity and celebrate diversity. As discipline captain, we will uphold respect and responsibility. As environment captain, we will work to protect and preserve nature. As games captain, we will encourage teamwork, fair play, and healthy competition. We promise to lead by example and inspire others through our actions. We will foster an atmosphere of respect, harmony, and growth. Together, we will work for the betterment of school community and stand united in our commitment to excellence and leadership. Thank you.
Rising Academy of the session 2025, and the names of house captain is Nilgiri House. The name of captain of Nilgiri House is Gyatso Sherpa and Chungchenla Sherpa.
Nilgiri House is blue house, yeah.
So, and the Nilgiri House, it is the blue house. So, हामीले यहाँनिर चाहिँ हाम्रो स्कुलमा हाउसको नामहरू यहाँ हामीले एउटा युनिक दिएका छौँ। त्यो चाहिँ एउटा हाम्रो जुन चाहिँ रेन्जहरू छ, हाम्रो पहाडी रेन्जहरू छ, त्यसको अनुसारमा हामीले हाम्रो हाउसको नामहरू दिएको छ र तपाईहरुले देख्न सक्छ। ब्लू हाउस, इट इज द नीलगिरी हाउस. येलो हाउस, इट इज द अरावली हाउस. उदयगिरी हाउस. And the name of the captains of Udaygiri House is Master Dawa Nurbu Sherpa and Miss Sandhya Guru. Now it is the throne of Shivalik House or the Green House, and the name of the captains of Shivalik House is Miss Nikila Sherpa and Master Sonam Gyatso Bhutia. And now it is the Aravali House or the Red House, and the name of the captains of Aravali House is Miss Somia Subba and Master Juben Sherpa. Thank you so much, our principal madam and our vice principal sir. So now I would like to request Nimlomu Mills to carry forward the oath taking ceremony of house captains.
We, the house captain of Aravali, Shivalik, Udaygiri, and Nilgiri, praise to serve our school with dedication, integrity, and respect. We promise to be fair, and foster a positive environment for all. We will take pride in our duties, listen to others, encourage teamwork. We commit to give our best effort in every challenge. As house captains, we will set the example for others to follow. Thank you.